Oh, my hair looked busted. Hey, what's up guys, it's Jean. Today I'm about to I'm refreshing my hair. So I actually had a slick back bun the other day and I'm about to go out right now, and I was like, I want to do a cute wash and go. So my hair is pretty dry now. I'm just putting some products in it, make it look a lot better than what it does. I know my hair is going to shrink up because I'm not going to stretch it, I'm not going to do any of that, but that's okay. But I wanted to show y'all what I'm about to do, how I'm about to finesse this. And to be honest, I don't know if I have faith in myself because I have no idea what I'm about to do. And I got about maybe like, yeah, I have a little bit less than 30 minutes to finish up with my hair. I already got dressed and I already did my makeup. Let's see if I can finesse this in like 25 minutes. Oh my god, hold on, wait. Y'all, I don't think I can. Maybe I need a stronger gel. I'm using the Camille Rose Curl Maker. I think it's like a custard, I don't know. And on everything it might be too light because I still see a lot of frizzies. Alright, let me spray this with some water. My Camille Rose moisture milk that I'm running out of. And then Camille Rose gel. You know what? My hair might actually not shrink up that much because it was already stretched. And I'm putting a lot of this custard on her. What is this? Would y'all say this is a gel or a custard? Curl Maker. A curling jelly. That's what it says it is. It's a curling jelly. Okay, okay. Listen, I'm just raking. Y'all see that? I am literally just raking and just reviving my curls because as y'all can see, it's pretty brushed out from my slick back bun the other day. I'm like looking on Pinterest and I tried to see if I had the pictures saved on my Instagram, but I cannot find this style anywhere, so I'm just going by what is in my head. This might be cute. My Camille Rose moisture milk. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I haven't used these two products in a really long time and I completely forgot how well they work together. These are really some really good products. I might have to buy it once it's finished. gonna do my edges. I'm gonna put the Kiss Edge Fixer. This is the one by Saweetie. I'm not gonna do too much. So this is the style that I'm pretty sure I saw, but like I said, I don't know. But it's cute. It's cute. Alright. Yeah, it's time for me to go. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this style. I'm gonna try to put some, you know, pictures or videos to see how it looks like throughout the day. Hopefully it doesn't shrink too much since I'm not drying it or anything. But yeah, hope you guys loved the video. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.